I am Anusha Raudikula. I'm based from Mumbai. I am an architect by profession. I've completed my degree in Navi Mumbai, and I thought of pursuing my master's here in Australia after seeing up the scope and everything. I thought it fits me better with goes with my profession. So my course is a dual degree. I'm very fortunate enough to get into one of the most prestigious university here in Sydney, that is UNSW, University of New South Wales, and I'm doing a dual degree in my own field, which is construction. So I'm doing construction project management and property development, which has a lot of scope here in Sydney. It's an amalgamation of project management also, because there is a very high hopes of like property deals here in all over Australia with residential, commercial, and everything. I thought it has a really better scope in the future, so I thought of like choosing this. When I was doing my bachelor's in architecture, I went in for like my internship, and there was a time of COVID where everything was shut down and everything. I was very lucky enough to get an opportunity to work on site within that time span of COVID. So I went into a project management company, which was really high end. It deals with many major projects all over in the world. So when I was doing that, one of my project manager, he just asked me randomly, "What are you planning to opt to do and stuff?" So I just told him I don't have any plans much about like future and stuff. So he just suggested me that if you like project management, you should go ahead of it, because you always want a ray of hope where you just get an idea. You are like clueless. What are you going to do in the future? But he was just a ray of hope for me, and he just guided me through with many factors about what needs to be done and not. And then that's how I started to think like, yeah, I should do something well versed and better, and something which is like developing. And I thought, seeing all the things all around the world, I thought Australia is a very better option for me, like in terms of like my living, my disciplinary stuff, because you have a very well balanced work life here in Australia. So I thought to just research and see, and that's how I found UNSW with the course, which fits me well. My personal things that I have done and what I wanted to. So when you do anything that like you are planning to do masters or something, you need to first analyze what are your interests, what you are like really fascinated about, what you want to do in your future or something. It needs not to be very crisp and clear. You just need a blur idea. And then I went and I spoke to my mentors who guided me through with my internship, and I still have there in my contact whenever I just want any good clarity of myself, like I'm stuck with this, I go and I just speak to them. So you need to have good mentors with whom you can share, and then that's how. Then you need to understand which place fits you well. I mean, which place you can adapt with, or you can stay with, like you are comfortable, and you see the demographics, you see the future scope development, and that's how you select the place. And college wise, you need a good ranking as per my sort of selection. You need a good college, because see, if you pass out from a good college, you get good connections, you get good peer pressure, pure surroundings, and then that's how you adapt yourself for the future of your profession or career.